titration goes digital. A new titration technology using SmartChemicals seamlessly transfers data to the titrator. Just a brief touch saves time, reduces errors, and ensures maximum data integrity. Good data integrity practice requires capture of all relevant data from the certificate of analysis of each reagent and standard used. Copying data manually is slow and creates chances for errors. This means that additional process steps, like the 4 eyes principle to minimize failure, are necessary. Using SmartChemicals eliminates time-consuming steps and errors by transferring data wirelessly and instantly. Volumetric solutions, Carl-Fisher titrants and all standards are embedded with an RFID tag. All data from the certificate of analysis are stored on the RFID tag of the smart chemical. Choose titrant or standard and confirm Read Smart Chemical on the touchscreen. Simply touch the RFID tag on the smart chemical bottle with the smart reader and all data are transferred. All information needed for method execution, calculation and documentation are seamlessly transferred, including product name, article number, batch number, and shelf life. Smart standards additionally transfer data such as molecular weight, supplier, uncertainty, and compliance in accordance with pharmacopoeias and ISO Guide 34 guidelines. Previously opened chemicals are also recognized. The initial opening date is stored in the RFID tag and shown on the touchscreen. Expired chemicals are automatically locked from use. Supelco SmartChemicals include volumetric solutions, Carl-Fisher titrants, and reference materials for standardization procedures. Their use with Mettler Toledo compact and excellence titrators ensures full data integrity for your titration workflow with nothing more than a brief touch. Titration has never been so fast, easy, and safe.